Have you ever noticed how much attention solar panels and inverters get, while the racking underneath barely gets a mention? The truth is, the racking and mounting system is just as important. It determines how panels sit on the roof, and how they handle wind and snow, and how long the system lasts without leaks in your roof or callbacks. Let's look at 4 of the most common names you'll see in 2025. Aero Compact, Iron Ridge, Snap & Rack, and Roof Tech. Each has its own style, certifications, and typical applications. I want to start with one of my favorites, Aero Compact. I like to use them for ground mount, but they're also widely recognized for flat roof, ballasted systems. Their compact flat line supports low tilt angles like 5, 10, and 15 degrees, and it's tested in wind tunnels to improve aerodynamics. Instead of relying on roof penetrations, many of their products use ballasts to hold the array in place, though some pitched roof options are also available too. One of their strengths is the design software, which helps lay out ballast weights and spacing for different roof types and load requirements. Iron Ridge is a brand often associated with pitched roof rail system. In North America, their XR Rail series, XR 10, 100, and 1000, covers light to heavy structural loads. The longer spans possible with the heavier rails can mean fewer attachment points in some installations, which reduces the number of roof penetrations. Their Flash Foot 2 attachment integrates flashing and bonding, and it has undergone testing for water resistance. Snap & Rack takes a slightly different direction with its focus on installation speed. Their Speed Seal products, like Speed Seal Foot and Track, are designed to reduce the number of parts and simplify sealing around roof penetrations and sealing around fastener. They also offer both rail-based and rail-less systems, with the rail-less designs cutting down on the amount of hardware on the roof, while the Speed Seal approach aims to save time and lower the chance of roof leaks. Roof Tech is another option that stands out because of its Alpha Seal technology. Instead of using separate sheet metal flashing, their mounts integrate a flexible butyl-based seal that acts as self-flashing. This has ICC code recognition and is tested for wind and snow loads on your roof. Roof Tech offers both rail-based and rail-less systems, with products like RT Mini 2 for traditional rails and RT Apex for rail-less mounting. The approach is different from conventional flashing, and some installers prefer it for the simplicity of the installation. So what do these differences mean in practice? Aero Compact focuses on flat roofs with aerodynamic ballasted systems. Iron Ridge provides a widely used rail solution for pitched roofs, and they've been around a long time, so they have a reputation for thorough engineering documentation. Snap & Rack emphasizes the speed and cost of installation and fewer steps, especially for asphalt shingle roofs. Roof Tech integrates self-flashing into the mount itself, aiming to simplify waterproofing. Each system has its own certifications, load ratings, and pricing structures. That's why understanding racking matters. Panels and inverters get most of the spotlight. Racking is what keeps everything secure, watertight, and code compliant for decades. So now I'd like to hear from you. Have you worked with any of these racking systems? Or do you have one on your roof? Share your experience with your system in the comments, what worked well and what was challenging. And if you found this overview helpful, check out the next video where I'll break down the costs of actually installing solar.